Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to create account on Wise. So simply click on get started. Now here you can log in through your Apple account, Facebook account, Google account. You can also type your email address. So simply I'm going through my Google account. So here you can choose business account, personal account. So all these options available. I am clicking on my personal account. So here you can select your country, simply click on continue. Now here you can type your number. So just they have sent verification code on our number, so simply wait for few seconds. So now after when the code is arrived on your cell phone, so simply type the code here. Now click on submit option. Now here you can set your password. So what you need to do, just create a strong password, like include your uppercase, lowercase letter, include number, and also include symbol. So here you can click on continue. So wait for a few seconds. Now click on continue. Now here you can simply select these options according to your choice, but we will do it later, so simply click on do it later. So now here you can see finally we have the main interface of wise.com. So in this way you can simply create account on wise.com.